everyone, today I will be presenting my project, a discounted cash flow valuation website. This project combines finance with technology. I use Lovable AI to build the front end and interface, and Superbase as the backend for database authentication and storage. Together, they make the valuation process interactive, reliable, and scalable. Before diving into tech stack, let's look the DCF logic. The process involves projecting free cash flows, discounting them at required rate, adding a terminal value, and calculating enterprise value, equity value, intersect value per share. I wanted my app to make the process simple. Users just enter assumptions and the system calculates everything automatically. For the front end, I used Lovable AI, which allowed me to design a clear, user friendly interface without writing every single line of code manually. Here you can see the input panel, projection years, discounted rate, free cash flows, and terminal value method. Lovable AI made it easy to set up these forms, connect them to logic, and generate real time outputs. I also integrate charts to visualize how projected versus discounted cash flows behave, which makes financial modeling much easier to understand. For the backend, I use Superbase, which acts as both database and authentication system. All users' input and calculated results are stored in Superbase tables. Users can log in securely and save their valuation models. It also helps manage session data and export functions. This way, users don't just run calculation once, they can save revisions and even download their reports later. Superbase was very helpful because it provides a real-time database, authentication, and API services all the one platform. In the background logic, I applied the standard DCF formula. Here is my function where I loop through each year cash flow, discount it, and then add the terminal value, either perpetual growth or exit multiple. The calculated results are then displayed on the front end, showing present value of FCF, enterprise value, equity value, and intersect value per share. I tested my website by comparing the result with Excel-based DCF models, and the number matched accurately. Some extra features I entered include user authentication, saving models, export options, and a guided mode for beginners. The project was a learning experience. I not only applied my MBA finance knowledge to real world coding, but also learned how to leverage tools like Lovable AI for fast and beautiful front end, Superbase for reliable backend.